Hey, it's me from Knick-Knack Universe. My sister's at Ulta, but I sneak around and play with these. Now let's start with this red one.
Does it work?
I don't
Nope.
I don't think so, cameraman.
Fail.
See? If you can feel the air, then come closer. Oh, you do. Nice. Alright. Now, Ulta got a problem with their hairdryer stack. Now, second one, that is really nice. Let's start with off. Well, I'll come.
Doesn't work. Fail.
Failed. Now let's. Ooh, here's one. I need this. This could be a good one. This is. Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez! Okay. Did you? Let's see if you feel that. I think you do. All right. Here is one that looks bleedy, so I'm not going to use that. Oh, here's one. It's a one of a. Alright, now then, this looks like a mega one, so oopsie! Oopsie, sorry! Oopsie! I think I made something.
We've got to see this last one, Nick.
Alright. My hand. I conduct you.
This can't be legal. All right, Nick, let's finish it up.
I think this is a failure. Here is Anna from
Knick-Knack Universe.
Yeah. Testing it. That was crazy. Now, cuties!